You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Global stock indexes kicked off the week with gains, buoyed by a newly announced trade agreement between the US and the EU. Washington agreed to a 15% tariff on European goods, half the previously threatened rate. The deal follows a similar accord with Japan and is part of a broader push to finalize agreements ahead of the August 1st deadline. Investors took the move as a signal of reduced risk and a potential return of investment appetite. US and European index futures rose, along with equities in China and Hong Kong. News of the US-EU trade deal sparked a rally in the euro, which strengthened against the dollar, yen, and pound following a meeting between Trump and von der Leyen in Scotland. Planned EU investments in the US and increased purchases of American energy and military equipment added to the optimism. Still, some discontent remains in Europe, where expectations had centered on a full mutual removal of tariffs. Next up, another round of US-China trade talks, likely to bring a 90-day extension to their truce. This week, investor focus turns to policy meetings at the Fed and the Bank of Japan. While no rate changes are expected, comments from officials may set the tone through autumn. The US-Japan trade deal has improved sentiment around Japan's export-driven economy, prompting the Bank of Japan to possibly revise its risk assessment. Inflation forecasts are likely to be raised. Meanwhile, the Fed remains cautious, with uncertainty over tariffs complicating the path toward further easing. The leading cryptocurrency is once again showing volatility. Bitcoin is testing the $120,000 level following news of a renewed US-China trade truce delay. Traders are eyeing the $119,500 to $120,000 resistance zone. A breakout could signal a fresh upward move. However, analysts warn that failure to break higher might send the price back toward the $113,800 liquidation area. Amid growing tension, expectations of sharp price swings are intensifying. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.